Welcome and welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vida. Kindly consider joining the family by subscribing, liking, and comment. And for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming, watching my video, and supporting me. I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be about what am I going to eat in a day. So today I was craving for some choco flakes, and that is what I ate for the breakfast with some eggs. For the recipe of the eggs, it's already on the channel. You can check it out. I will put the link in the description box down below. For today's lunch, we shall have stir fried beef. Yeah, so here is the beef. We shall also need corn flour, light soy sauce, black pepper, salt, onion, garlic, ginger, and also margarine. We normally use oyster sauce, but I don't have, and we shall eat this meat with rice, coconut rice. If you watched the video up to here and you enjoyed it and you didn't subscribe, kindly consider joining the amazing family by subscribing, liking, comment, share to everyone whom you think may be helped by this video. And for this fruit salad, I didn't show you the process because I'm going to show you later in another video.